Where are we? What street?
We're at the Simindeng police station.
Kumuha kami ng raincoat because rainy. Wala. Kaysa magpayong kami, no? We'll be doing... May tax refund pala sa dito. May okay dito. Dito tayo? Saan may? So we're inside yung Simending or Ximenting. Ha? Ikot tayo. This entire district, no? Ha? Kami lang ata pa naka-yellow dito eh.
Lamig eh. It's cold. I don't like the cold.
Rather than ito, full body yung protection. Yan ah. Full body protection. Kasi kung payong,
Payong castle.
at least hanggang ilalim mo yung paa namin. Covered, oh. So this is only how much? May 89 Taiwanese dollar. So para siyang
150.
150 pesos. Not bad, no? Kasi magpayong-payong ka pa. Ang only difference lang,
You don't know.
patingin sa who are these aliens, no? From outer space.
Never protected.
Who are these people? No? Mukhang they're really weird. But super protected yung katawan naman. Side streets tayo? Sana ba tayo? You turn left. Cross tayo, May. It's green, no? Okay. Crossing. I think this is Main Street pa rin, no? Main Street. Ayan, no? Samahan ng parang alien na walking. Eh parang delikado pa ito, kanakawin lang, oh. Kasi we're the only yellow colored. What area is this?
Partial protection is not our
It's
thing.
still
Shield. Yung nakasauna namin, wala tayong payong. Payong yung nasa pesos.
okay.
Because we only have limited clothes. They can't get wet.